weather, that's for sure. But at least we're going to get a little bit of a change here this weekend. I know it's going to be warm here today, upper 80s, low 90s again, closer to 90 here today. I know yesterday we saw a little reprieve with temperatures in the mid 80s in the cloud cover. That was moisture moving northward, and that's because we have a system coming that's going to bring a chance of storms here for Saturday and an evening cold front that will lead us to more seasonable conditions on Sunday. Not quite yet that fall cool down we've been looking for, but it'll at least make it feel a little bit more like it should here by the time we get into Sunday. Out there right now, no issues on the live radar network. They're on the Syntex Roof Systems camera in Killeen, rather. 68 degrees now in Waco, 65 Temple and Killeen, 67 in Bryan College Station. And those winds do remain out of the south about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That'll lead to a warmer day today. 89 in Elmont will call for 91 in Riesel, 90 in McGregor down into Bell County, 90 in Moffett, 90 in Nolanville, Belton, 91 Zobchikville and Rogers, 89 in Killeen and 90 in Nolanville, and across the rest of Central Texas, upper 80s, low 90s in place. And there's a small chance we see an isolated shower in the Brazos Valley here today. Now the live radar network quiet for your morning commute, which is good news. Here's where our cold front is, and the storm system with us well to the north. We'll be on the tail end of this thing, which is why we don't see a huge cool down, but nevertheless, it's looking like it could be deep enough that we get a decent cool down coming up here for Sunday, at least knocking it back to seasonable conditions. Here's that chance for a couple of isolated showers in the Brazos Valley here today. Very quick. It goes away in the evening. It's not going to impact your Friday night football games for the most part. We get into tomorrow morning. We'll start off rather warm. I don't think mid to upper 70s warm, but 72, 73, certainly not out of the question. And what we'll watch for initially is with that moisture moving in place, we could see a couple of showers and thunderstorms develop in the middle of the day along and east of I-35. And if these can get going, there's the potential some of them could get stronger in the afternoon as they near the I-45 corridor. Then we'll shift our eyes to where the cold front is. That's where we could see a couple of more showers and thunderstorms developing by evening, and then the front passes through. Now, I'm not expecting widespread severe weather or even really much severe weather. That only chance would likely be east of I-35, and the stuff that comes through with the cold front, yeah, it shouldn't be bad at all, and it'll be very isolated in nature. Look what happens Sunday morning, 60s. About Sunday afternoon, we're looking at temperatures that may struggle to reach the mid-80s. Again, this is all because of this first cold front. I have a few more, though, coming in here as we get into the middle of next week. Neither of them are really strong. They just reinforce some of this more seasonable air. 89 coming up for Friday, 92 for Saturday, a 30% chance of storms, 84 Sunday. That's going to be nice with dry air. Warming up again Monday, then another cold front coming in, and again, we'll hover in the mid-80s next week in the Brazos Valley, more of the same. At least we get a little bit of a cool down here on Sunday.
Well, Josh, speaking of budgeting, over in Temple, a local cafe is doing their part to help